Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Toyota Prius. This 4-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter I-4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 55 miles per gallon in the city, and 53 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.